Coming to the characteristics of particles of matter. So first is particles of matter have a space between them. Second one, particles of matter are continuously moving. Third one, particles of matter attract each other. So these three are very important. These are the characteristics of particles of matter. First one is particles of matter have a space between them. So students, we have already done the activity like we have dissolved salt in the water, right? Where does the salt gone? So egoitu because we know that the particles are moved to the spaces present in between the water molecules, alva. So first one shows that particles of matter have a space between them. So in this case, as I already explained in the beginning, so we have taken water. Into that we have put 1 tablespoon of salt. It is disappeared. The salt is disappeared. So a salt elloitu. So the space is present between the water molecules. Water molecules ಮತ್ತೆ ಇರುವಂತ space ಒಳಗಡೆ ಈ salt move ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay. So this will when we make tea, coffee or anything, particles of one type of matter will get into the spaces between the particles of other. Okay, for example, consider this is one water molecule and this is another water molecule. So salt will enter this space. ಈ ಎರಡು space ಮಧ್ಯ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, this is salt. Okay, so it has entered the space between these two particles. So these two are one type of matter and salt is another type of matter, right? Particles of one type of matter get into the spaces between the particles of other. This shows that there is enough space between the particles of matter. Particles of matter madhya space ide annodana ತೋರಿಸಿಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. This one. So next coming to the second one. Particles of matter are continuously moving. So ಯಾವ ತರ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ particles of matter? Let us conduct one activity. This I have taken one incense stick. It means agarbatti, udbatti, agarbatti antivalla adna tagoni. So if you keep anywhere in your place without lightning, adna antiste idre, so smell ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದಾಗಿ. So now I'll lighten this incense stick. Lightened incense stick. Now you can so smell it. ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ you can smell it because ನೋಡಿ the particles are moving. Here the particles are moving. So this activity shows that particles of matter are continuously moving. Particles of matter are continuously moving that they possess that we call the kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? So by virtue of its motion, if any object or any particle is moving, we call it as kinetic energy. As the temperature rise ಆಗ್ತಿದಂಗೆ the particles move faster. So ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇನ್ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ನ ಅಗರಬತ್ತಿ ಹಚ್ಚಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. So when the temperature rises, so the particles will move faster. So we can say that with the increase in the temperature, the kinetic energy of the particles will also increases. ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೈಟ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ಆಗ ಅದು ಕೈನೆಟಿಕ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್, ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್. So in these activities we observe that particles of matter intermix on their own with each other. They do so by getting into the spaces between the particles. ಇದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಇನ್ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಏರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಯ್ತು. So this intermixing of particles of different types of matter on their own, we call it as diffusion. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೈಯರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಲೋಯರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ we call it as diffusion. So this is about the second property. Now let us see the third property. Particles of matter attract each other. For this activity I have taken 3 examples, like one is scissor, one is nail and one is stick. Okay, wooden stick. So now I'll try to break this. I'll try to break this with the help of my hands, and you can see it is very difficult. Okay, this is very difficult. This is hard. And next I'll take nail. Even in case of nail also it is very hard. Even I can't bend it, but you can hammer it. It is very difficult. And third one, I'll take stick. So I can easily break it. See here, I can easily break this. So this activity suggests that the particles of matter have force acting between them. So in these two cases, the particles are tightly arranged. The particles are tightly arranged. They have a strong force between the particles. Hence, it is difficult to break it. And in case of this stick, the strength of this force of attraction is very less. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ. So this shows that the particles of matter attract each other. So this is about the proper characteristics of particles of matter. I hope you have understood. Thank you, children.